So it's a little dark out here tonight, and I apologize for that. It's also raining. I want to do this video quick, not because of the lights, but because of the camera. It's not waterproof. Now, 3 lights on a head table is something that we do a lot. My agency throws it in as like a bonus, and sometimes you have to bring par fixtures and plug them in and set the colors. It's kind of a cumbersome task sometimes if you don't have the power outlets you need, especially if they have their own decorations at the head table. So I'm using these cans. It's super easy. I just turn them on and set them down. I can carry them in my pocket or whatever, they're small. You can do the same thing if you want to with coins. And just like that, we've got that head table uplighting. Now, if they don't want white, which is what we're looking at right now, just take the remote and simply change the color to whatever you'd like in the color macros. You can dim it, of course, if you want to, or you can make it bright. You can also go ahead and do a color fade. So again, you can absolutely do this with coins if you want to. You can put this in music mode if you want to. But it's a real easy way to do head table uplighting without running a bunch of cables and taking a lot of time. Real simple. In fact, I did one this last weekend where they wanted kind of a purple color. And I picked the color and I said, what do you think? And they said, do you have anything a little lighter? I just pulled the remote out of my pocket and made it lighter. It was real simple. So it looks something like this, I guess. That's what I had. And then they wanted something a little lighter. So we went to that. And it was just with the remote control. I wasn't even near the table. Super easy to change. So just a quick video for you. An easy way to do head table uplighting. I am using the 10-degree lenses on this as well. So that does help. It helps keep the beam kind of more narrow like a traditional par fixture would be. And that's an add-on, but you can use those on the coins or on the cans. That's it. Thanks for watching. Practice and enjoy.